Only you, babe. Only you, my girl. Only you, babe. Only you, darling. Only you, babe. Only you.
Hey y'all, I'm finally back with a video. I have not uploaded in forever, but I want to get back into it because why not? So today I'm gonna be doing a wig. I have not did a wig video in forever. I usually do it on my TikTok. This is my TikTok. Follow my TikTok. But today we got a wig from Cheetah. I'm gonna upload it right here. But I've been seeing this wig on TikTok, so I went ahead and got it. I got it in black. Okay, so the only thing I did to the wig though is bleached it a little bit. I bleached it with 40 developer and I think it's W something bleached, the white one with the pink and green or something like that. So that's what I used, and I left it on for like I could say 30 minutes. I left it on for 30 minutes and it's giving scalp, and I plucked it a little and that's it. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna be using the Dola lace glue. I actually been using her for a good minute. I really like her, but no, the last one I got from Shein. I love Shein, don't get me wrong. I get my clothes, this from TikTok. This from TikTok. But I got a glueless wig off of Shein and everything, but that glue, I don't know. But I got this from the TikTok shop, and yeah, I really wasn't supposed to use this today. I was supposed to use my Bold Hold lace tape and the active, but it was supposed to be shipped today, but it never got shipped out. So I don't know. So let's just get into it. Let's just do what we gotta do. I mean, we got a good glue, so ain't nothing to worry about. So let's go ahead with the bald cap and show y'all the steps of how I do my installs. And don't worry about my lashes, it's clusters. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it for you. Okay y'all, so I got this down. I'm not gonna try to like put makeup on it or whatever. I'm just gonna put the glue and that's it. y'all, so this is the finished product. I love it. Yeah, I really love it. Put my little pin in the back so you can have like a little thing to it. I put back on my lashes. Y'all don't play with me. Let me stop. But thank y'all for watching. I gotta go to sleep for work now. I gotta wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's about to be 12 o'clock. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna be coming out with more videos, not only hair but vlogs, when I travel, when I take vacations, stuff like that. I'm gonna be coming out with way more. I'm gonna be updated with y'all. So I hope you guys like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Darling, only you can pay. Only